So my kids were craving some talk about chalupas, and I had to be the party pooper and let them know that there was food at home. These kids will eat out every single day if possible, but not today. So to my bowl, I'm gonna add 3 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna mix everything together before adding 2 tablespoons of shortening, and then you're gonna crush your shortening in the flour. Now slowly I'm gonna mix about 1.5 cups of warm milk until all the dough has come together. Now we're gonna knead the dough for about 5 minutes, make 8 balls, and then you're gonna let your balls get nice and rested for about 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna make either the beef or chicken that's gonna go in the chalupas. In our case, it's gonna be beef. I made my own little taco seasoning because I ain't about to pay $3 for a little package. Also gonna make a simple chipotle sauce for our chalupas using equal parts mayo and sour cream. Of course, our chipotle and all the ingredients I'm gonna list on the screen. So we're back on chalupa duty because the balls are nice and rested. Using a rolling pin, you're gonna roll them out. So you're not making them too thin because you're not making flour tortillas, but you don't want them too thick either. Poke a couple of holes, drop it into some hot oil for about 1 minute. Then you're gonna flip it, fry it for another minute, and then close it, make it into a chalupa shell like this. The chalupas cook pretty fast, guys, so you're not making crispy tacos, so they're not gonna be frying forever. You're just gonna drain them on a cooling rack and then get all of your ingredients ready because I'm gonna be the chalupa lady for the next 30 minutes. I'm gonna add my sauce first, my beef, some cheese, some lettuce, tomatoes, and some sour cream. Gave Jose and Josiah 3 chalupas each because that's how many they ordered at Taco Bell anyways, and they were full with 2. So me and Alize ended up eating the extra one, and then Joseph got a little baby one. Teacher Alma got some more, and we ate chalupas for a whole week.